Hi guys, you can see I have here a women's Rub square neck shapewear. This is a tank bodysuit. You can see it on the back. That is the bodysuit, the shapewear, guys. So this is for casual tummy control. They said it. Hip lifter, shaper, tummy control. As you can see, the fabric is beautiful. Clothing, ladies shapewear, summer outfit. This is summer outfit. This is a shapewear. This is what look like square. You can see this is a square neck shapewear. That is looks. You can see they give me 3 shapewear bodysuit. That is on the back, guys. And as I'm wearing this, they have also like this. You need to open that and put it back like that. So that is included with this shapewear, guys. So they give me also white color for this shapewear. It is good for summer, guys. That is the shapewear women's red square neck shapewear tank bodysuit casual, guys. Okay, that is beautiful. Okay, it's like cotton, very soft. You can see it. Okay, guys.